How to sign up for Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the Uber Eats application on your device and then tap on the Uber Eats application where the homepage will look something like this. So after you tap on the Uber Eats application and you launch it, it will lead you to the user interface of the Uber Eats application. So just wait for a while until it loads. Also make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Now here you can see it tells us to get started with Uber Eats. You just have a tap on continue. So tap on continue. And as you do that, you just have to wait for a while. So here you can see you just have to enter your mobile number, or you can also continue with Google or email, or you can use Find My Account. So I'm going to go with continue with Google and use my Gmail ID over here. So I'm going to select one of my email IDs over here in order to associate with the Uber Eats application on my device. As I do that, you just have to enter your mobile number as well. Then tap on next. And then you have to accept the Uber's terms and review privacy notice. After that, tap on next. And as you tap on next, you'll be able to sign up for Uber Eats over here. You just have to give access to the location. You can use current location as well. You can skip these payments and you can do it later as well. And there you go, you have signed up for the Uber Eats. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.